Hey loves, it's just aka Designer Mama, and in today's video we are going to be doing a Mina Bay haul. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, continue watching this video. It's just aka Designer Mama, and here on my channel we cover all things designer, from contemporary all the way up to luxury, with a touch of lifestyle and fashion. So if that sounds like you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now guys, before we get into today's video, Mina Baie, let's just talk about them, okay? It's a woman-owned brand, and yes, they do cater to moms, so you know it is a quote-unquote diaper bag brand, but they have expanded and they have so much more to offer. They have travel bags, they have toiletry bags, they have pouches, they have totes, jewelry. Like, the brand just offers so much, and they have different types of quality, from nylon, vegan leather to leather. I think it's a great alternative compared to some of these luxury houses with crazy price tags. If you take anything away from this video, just go check out their website. And I'm hoping that some of the items that I do show you in today's video does change your mind. And this video is not sponsored. I brought these things with my own money. But Jenna girl, if you're watching and you want to work with me, just know I want to work with you, okay? Now, I did not open this box. It did come delivered like this. That's not Mina Baie's fault. It's just how it got delivered. But I did check really quickly to make sure everything was still in the box. So the first item I got was a tote bag. Now spring is here, summer's around the corner. We know that tote bags are part of just, it makes the outfit, okay? Even if you want to go to the beach or whatever you want to do, I do think tote bags are really great. And this is the pack. It's the first time I'm ever opening anything from the brand, and it's packaged so well. Guys, look at this color. So this is in the color Commando. Now it comes with this, which I guess helps keep its shape on the bottom, but on the inside it's one big space. It has a pocket right here, and it has two pockets on the side. And it has this beautiful like leather black detailing. Now this retails for $59. So if you put it on the bottom, it looks like this. So it does have a little slouch to it. And I think this would be so pretty with like summer dresses, or if you want to take this to the beach or wherever you want to go. And you guys know I'm a small frame woman, so I tend to get a little scared when it comes to like bigger bags. But I think this fits my frame pretty decently. Now, if you're someone who you're like, I love totes, but I need the organization, I just can't do one big open space, it drives me crazy, Mina got you covered, okay? I decided to get the Mina organizing insert. This is vegan leather in the color Terra. Now they did have it also in black, but of course black sold out. Like, still can't get my hands on it. What I like is that I feel like because they're all kind of in like the neutral family, it could still work kind of. And I mean, it's going on the inside of my bag, so like, who's really going to see, you know, whatever. Now Mina Baie is known for their organization. It comes with a little key hook, really nice. It comes with a little spot back here, so you could put like your, I don't know if you could put like a computer back there. It's a lot of space, so I'm guessing this is a computer sleeve. You have two pockets on the side and two pockets right here, and then of course one big open space. And if you want to put it, I believe it was designed to go in here, so as you can see, it fits in there perfect, and it does give this bag a lot more shape to it. And like I said, you can't really tell. By the way guys, Mina Baie does a lot of like Instagram lives, so if they're coming out with something new, they will show it on Instagram, which I love. The next item that I did get is Londini nylon toiletry bag in the color black and gold. Honestly guys, when I first saw this, like when I just glanced really quickly in the box to make sure all my items were in there, because it was delivered open, I thought it was gonna be a little smaller, I'm not gonna lie, but it is a decent size. On the back, you have a little pocket. Okay, so you can put some stuff in there. And again, all of their inside bags, even like though the outside is black, it's all light colors. So I love that because I hate getting a darker bag and then on the inside is just one big black hole. So on the inside, you have one pocket right here. So you could put some items in there. On this side, you have one big pocket. And then look how cute this is. Like it has little, you could put like, I guess, lip glosses or some skincare stuff right here. And then it has this leather, like a little pull, I don't know what you call this, like a little, I guess, tab that you could like, makes it convenient to pull in and out of your bag. Like, of course, I can't just buy myself stuff and not my baby. But, you know, like Mina Baie says, it's for your babies, but no, it's really for you because, yeah, it's really for me, you know, but whatever. Well, this is the Mina Changing Kit in nylon. Now, my baby is, you know, she's going to be a toddler soon, but she's still a baby. And I just had to come to terms with the fact that she's going to be in diapers for a little while. Like, it just is what it is. Even when she's learning to potty train, I might still need to carry diapers for just in case. So honestly, I just wanted something that was very chic. Like I said, I'm really digging everything that Mina Baie got going on. It has the gold detailing. The gold is really nice too. I just want to say it's not like super bright, but it's nice. And with this kit, you get this bigger pouch that I guess houses everything. It comes with a wipes case. Now, guys, they do sell wipes separately, but you don't need to buy wipes just for your baby. Like, they also sell lunch bags, which again, I've been trying to get my hands on one, but it's sold out. And you could pack this in a little lunch bag for yourself, or, you know, we always need wipes. I'm somebody who I always have wipes in my car, so before I even had a baby. So this is just so chic and this is beautiful. It's all white, it's simple. I really like that. Then it comes with the changing pad, which, to be honest, I have a few changing pads. I haven't really had to use it, but I might just consider it. So it comes folded, and I mean, you could buy these items separately too, again, because of course they do have baby products, but again, there's so much more than that. So this is a decent size, you know, it feels pretty nice. One thing that I've heard too about Mina Baie is their magnets are like really strong A1 like magnets, so they're also known for that. And then last but not least, it comes with a whole nother separate pouch. Like, guys, this changing kit comes with so much, like, feels nice. Now, I honestly don't know what I'm going to use this for. I know, like, they say you could put like soiled clothing in here, or you could put snacks in here. It's, now that I'm looking at it, it's too nice. I don't even know if I want to use it for that, to be honest. Like, but this is so beautiful. So again, for the kit, you get this large bag, you get this pouch, you get the changing pad, and you get wipes. Okay, so you get a lot. Now, if you haven't heard of them, I hope this video intrigues you to want to check them out. Check out their Instagram, check out their website. If you're a mama, girl, you can find things for your baby, you can find things for yourself. And even if you are not a mama, I promise you guys, like, there is something on there for you. Like, the diaper bags, you can use them if you have a kid or you don't have a kid. The bags are great for traveling. They have little slits in the back to travel. I'm telling you, like, they just offer so much. Like, please go check them out. And that's it for today's video. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.